What happens when you pit a $1,200 German engineering beast against a $1,200 Japanese precision machine? After diving deep into specs, reviews, and real users' horror stories, one of these robots is about to get exposed, and it's not the one you would expect. Here's the ultimate robot vacuum breakdown. The Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni have 16,600 PS suction power with something called glass technology and Osmo roller mopping. They are claiming this thing can handle everything from pet hair to sticky kitchen spills with zero maintenance. On the other hand, the Roborock Saros 10R counters with their star-sized 2.0 navigation system and the thinnest design they have ever made. At just 7.98 cm tall, this thing promises to slide under furniture your current vacuum can't even dream of reaching. Let's talk raw power. The Ecovacs hit 16,600 PA, while Roborock doesn't even list their suction specs prominently. That's usually not a good sign, but here's what real customers are saying about actual performance. Ecovacs users report excellent carpet cleaning and fewer times getting stuck on obstacles, while Roborock users report strong battery life and feature-rich app. Roborock's StarSight 2.0 uses 3D time-of-flight sensors, basically the same tech in your iPhone's face recognition. It can map obstacles in 3 dimensions and navigate around furniture legs with surgical precision. Ecovacs counters with AI/VI 3D technology, but their marketing focus more on suction power than smart navigation. Customer reviews suggest that it sometimes gets confused by dark rugs and needs manual intervention. For mopping, Ecovacs uses a roller system spinning at 220 RPM with 63 °C hot water cleaning. Think of it like a tiny carpet cleaner for your hard floors. Roborock takes a different approach with extendable mop arms that reach into corners and 80°C hot water cleaning system. Their system even removes mops automatically when cleaning carpets. Both are expensive at around $1,200, but here's the key difference. Ecovacs focuses on raw power cleaning, while Roborock emphasizes smart features and precision. And here's the shocking truth. The Ecovacs X9 Pro has such serious navigation problems that vacuum wires almost release an emergency video apologizing for recommending it. Users report robots getting lost, failing to return to base, and leaving streak marks while mopping. The mopping process is so glitchy that experts call it tedious and frustrating. The Roborock Saros 10R has minor app signing issues, have the absence of top-mounted LiDAR, appears to reduce efficiency slightly, but overall it actually works as advertised. Choose the Roborock and avoid the Ecovacs navigation nightmare. Trust me on this one. Which approach wins for your home, raw power or smart precision? Drop your choice below and subscribe for more honest comparisons that save you from expensive mistakes.